I've broken the sunroof switch of my ML350, so the actual physical switch, I don't know what you call them, the structural part of it is still there, but the covering broke off. And this is, here it is here, and I bought a new switch from eBay, so there. Now I think I'm gonna try to pry that switch there. I think I'm just gonna use a plastic pry tool to go on the side and just try to pull it out. Okay, I've got the one side out. I just used this just to pry it out like this, so you can see that's coming out now. And then see if I can get it out all the way. There it is. That's out. And now I'm just gonna compare the old one with the new one. It looks the same, so I think it's just a matter of just pushing back in place. Just note here and these little holes here, the switch has those little notches that's protruding. They have to go in those holes. One is for sliding back and forth, and one is for tilting the sunroof. So I'm gonna try to install it back now. Okay, the new switch is now installed. Thanks for watching.